Okay, so this is for our material today. Ini untuk materi kita hari ini, Science for All. So this is for our material today, this topic. So let's move to the next. We have warm up. Pemanasan. Here we have look at the picture on the page with classmate. Who can you see? What are their jobs? And would you like to do these jobs? And is there anyone missing in the image? Okay, if you can see here, we have this. Kita ada ini nih. So now, if you want to try to answer this, we have four pictures. Ada 4 foto nih. Kalian bebas mau pilih yang mana aja nih. Kita ada 4 foto. Picture number one, picture number two, picture number three, and picture number four. So then, look at the image. Okay, who can you see? Menurut kalian ini apa aja nih kerjaannya? And then, what are their jobs? Nah, pekerjaannya apa? And would you like to do this job? Kalian mau nggak nih kerja kayak gini? Okay, so this is, I want to ask you about your opinion about this part. Okay, if you want to try share your opinion, you can say it. Okay, you can make the sentence atau kalimat-kalimatnya untuk disampaikan.
Yep, I wanna try.
Okay, which one?
Uh, Picture number one.
Picture number one. Okay, please.
Um, who can you see? Itu I saw chemistry or scientist maybe.
Oh, okay, this is researcher or chemist ya.
Yes.
Jadi itu bisa
Eh,
young man, that is chemist atau ahli kimia
chemist.
gitu ya.
Yes.
So
And
chemistry
then
is kimia, and then
would you like to do this job? Maybe they do research. Eh,
do research. Okay.
and then what you is there any missing? I want to do this job because I like the researching and doing new things.
Oh, so okay, Mutia, you are science or okay, IPA apa IPS, Mutia? Social or science?
IPA.
Oh, IPA. So
Yes,
you are
IPA.
in senior high school ya,
Yes,
dan di kelas IPA ya.
yes.
Alright, so now you are in science. And what is your favorite subject, Mutia?
Um, Subjek apanya nih? Cap.
Subjek mata pelajaran
Kimia, chemistry.
kimia. So chemistry
Yes,
is your favorite one.
yes.
Okay, can you memorize about periodic table?
Susah kali
Kamu
Cap.
kamu hafal tabel periodik gak?
Nggak terlalu semuanya.
Oh, tapi ada beberapa yang tahu gitu ya.
Yes.
Alright, that's great. Okay, so that's all. Number one.
That's all Cap.
Okay, so number one, it can be scientist or chemist. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, then, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah, I wanna try.
What's number?
Picture three.
Picture number three. Okay, please.
What can you see? I think IT professional, maybe.
Okay, it can be IT professional or it can be software engineer, yeah. Okay, it can be both. It can be IT professional or software engineer. And then
Maybe, maybe what are the job itu working on laptop?
working on laptop, something like kira-kira apa nih yang dikerjakan? What is it?
Saya bisa buat game, make game gitu.
Make game or develop a software
Ya,
or
website gitu.
analyze a data, something like that?
Ya,
All right, that's great. And then would you like to do this job?
uh, what do you like to do this job? Yeah, I like it. Uh,
Oh,
so
so
I
you
kan
want to. Mhm.
aku school coding.
Oh, so you join extracurricular coding?
Ya,
So that is in your senior high school?
ya
Oh,
di
okay, Kevin. Are you science or social?
sosial.
Social. Wow, so you join coding ya in your high school?
Ya, John
So
Hap.
your high school is public or uh, private? Negeri atau swasta?
Pub- Swasta.
Oh, swasta. So okay, that makes sense. So do you join coding from the beginner or you are in any level?
Beginner.
So beginner, you start from the first, yeah?
Ya,
Okay, how do you feel when you try to study coding?
ya happy. Kan aku find coding a problem solving thing tuh kayak seem like a field with a future of potential. No?
So
Enjoy
that
lah.
is interest. So you're interesting on it and you feel enjoy, yeah?
Ya,
So the teacher is professional teacher or your senior,
profesional.
a professional teacher, yeah?
Ya,
Okay, that's great. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's all.
ya that's all.
Okay, I want to ask you, what is your dream job?
Apa?
What is your dream job? Pekerjaan
Dream
favorit,
job.
impian, ya.
Oh, pekerjaan favorit impian. Maybe kalau nggak software engineering, ya ini sih jadi
Software
like
engineer
entrepreneur.
or entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Wow, entrepreneur in what kind of entrepreneur? What kind of entrepreneur?
Maybe bisnis kayak apa ya? Ya intinya bisnis lah.
So business, any business, ya.
Ya,
Bisnis apa aja. Okay, that's great. That's all, Kevin.
ya that's all.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, so that is from Kevin. Okay, I will give you the example for picture number 4. So that is for picture number 4. As you can see here, that is like technician for plane, ya, or aerospace technician. Jadi there is a man wearing visible glass and then high visibility vest. Jadi untuk keselamatan. And then perhaps their job is to probably an aircraft mechanic, so they maintenance or repair of planes, like something like that. Okay, that's great. So that is for the example for number 4. Okay, tadi yang nggak ada yang only number 2. So number 2 it can be like mathematician, ya, or professor of mathematics. Okay, that's great. Okay, then we will move to the next here. In the lesson, we are going to learn about STEM. It is an abstraction we use to refer to a group or subjects when we talk about job or an education. What do you think STEM stand for? Oke, kira-kira kalian tahu nggak nih apa nih STEM? Kalian pernah dengar STEM nggak sebelumnya? Have you ever heard about STEM? Pernah dengar STEM sebelumnya?
Pernah, Cap?
Pernah gitu?
Pernah ya? Oke, so
Yes.
what do you think about STEM? Katanya ini ada di sekolahan. Jadi ada kepanjangannya nih.
Kayak
Can
IPA
you
gitu bukan?
mention?
Dulu
Uh,
STEM kan ini
that
ya.
is similar. Ada kepanjangannya nih. Jadi something
Hmm.
like project in STEM apa nih?
Yang ini kayak science, teknologi gitu ya?
Mm-mm. Ya,
Science,
something like that.
technology,
Apa aja
engineering,
nih?
mathematics,
Oh iya,
So let's start from S. What is it?
science.
S stands for science. Okay, that's
Yes.
correct. Science. How about T?
Technology maybe?
Yeah, technology. It stands for technology. How about E?
engineering,
Engineering. Okay, that's correct. Engineering. And then for M,
mathematics,
mathematics. Okay, that is for the last year we have mathematics. Okay. Kevin, can you translate science, technologies, engineering, and mathematics?
science, itu ditranslate semuanya.
Ya, science artinya kan science juga bisa.
Science itu kayak IPA gitu.
Ya, science dalam bahasa Indonesia, science kan science ya,
Ya,
IPA,
science.
science.
Ya,
And then for
science.
technology,
Teknologi juga.
technology, and then engineering,
Teknik kan. Kalau nggak,
technique. Okay, that's correct. Technique. And then the last matematika ya.
Yang
Oke,
terakhir ya
sepertinya
Mas.
matematika. Oke, sepertinya udah tahu semua ya. Oke, perfect. Thank you very much for trying this part. So this is like we make. Jadi sometimes in some school ada yang merencanakan about this project about STEAM for their P5. Have you ever heard about P5? Pernah dengar P5 nggak?
Pernah, Cap?
Pernah ya? So in your school there must be sub project like P5 ya? Ada kan?
Iya
Ada.
ada.
Okay, what is the recent project for P5? P5? Apa nih project di sekolah kalian P5-nya?
Sebenarnya nggak bertentangan sama ini sih, science gitu.
So this similar with STEM ya?
Iya, kayak
Iya.
buat
Okay, what is it about?
beda.
Beda? Different? What is it?
Mhm.
Kira-kira in your school in this semester, what is it about?
Kayak buat tempe dari raginya gitu.
Oh, so
Beda.
the project for your school is about make tempe ya?
Yes.
Okay, that can be include in science ya. Itu ada di science nih.
Oh
Because
iya,
it use of soy kedelai and then
yes.
let's fermentasi to be tempe seperti itu.
Kayak
Kedelai
biology.
dicaruh ke ragi dan
Ragi.
berubah menjadi
Yes.
tempe gitu kan?
Yep. Yes.
Oke, so that can be conclude into science. Itu termasuk di science ya. Oke, how about Kevin?
Kalau di SMA aku itu kelimanya itu ada yang buat ini sih, proyek daur ulang tadi sampah.
Oh, right, second is about trust. What is it about? What kind of trust?
Kayak buat tas, buat pot dulu.
Oh, that is like about handcraft,
Ya, handcraft.
kerajinan tangan ya. Okay, handcraft. Perhaps it can be something like engineering, technique something or technology ya mungkin ya.
Ya,
It can be something like that. Okay, that's great. This is related to P5 atau P5 ya. Okay, thank you very much Kevin and Mutia for sharing your opinion. Okay, so that is for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay, we will continue to the next here. So the next part here we have this. Oke, kita ada nih. Discuss the questions and use the phrase the both in your answer. Which job do you think are evenly split between men and women? And do you think anyone ever feels excluded in your school, community, society, and why? Ini ada dua pertanyaan nih kira-kira. Which job do you think are evenly split between men and women? And do you think anyone ever feels excluded in your school, community, or society? And why? Oke, ini ada dua pertanyaan nih. Kira-kira kalian paham nggak nih maksud pertanyaannya gimana?
Enggak, Cap. Boleh ulang
You
nggak?
don't know. Oke, boleh diulang ya. So that is for two question. Ada dua pertanyaan nih. Which job do you think are evenly split between men and women? Jadi pekerjaan apa nih yang menurut kamu terbagi rata antara pria dan wanita? And then, pernahkah kamu um, merasa dikucilkan di sekolah, komunitas, atau masyarakat? Dan kenapa nih kira-kira? Paham nggak pertanyaannya kira-kira?
Cap, nomor 2 nih kitanya yang dikucilkan atau orang orang lain?
Kamu pernah nggak?
Oh,
Kamu pernah merasa dikucilkan orang-orang nggak nih?
mm, no, nggak
Oke,
pernah.
boleh dicoba
Oh,
untuk menjawab nomor satu dan nomor 2 ya.
oke, Cap.
Oke, jangan lupa kalau untuk menjawab pertanyaan do itu harus dijawab ada pertamanya ada yes. Kalau iya berarti yes, I do. Kalau no berarti no,
No, I
I
don't.
don't ya. Oke. Terus baru dijelaskan reasonnya. Yes, I do. Because of apa nih? Or no, I don't. Because I always ngapain juga. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, please do it. So this is for speaking about which job do you think are evenly split between men and women, and do you think anyone ever feels excluded in your school, community, or society, and the reason why? If you want to try, you can say it. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba menjawab di sini? Or if you want to try for number one, number two, it feels free to choose. Bebas mau pilih yang mana aja nih.
I wanna try.
Oke, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah.
Oke, please.
Number one. I
Oke, number one,
think
please.
profession is in the healthcare sector kayaknya.
Sorry?
Kayak di healthcare sector.
Okay, what is it? Can you explain to me?
Nursing, kayak nursing, physical therapy, terus general practice doctor, maybe. Kan itu kan kebagi antara wanita sama pria.
Oh, that is spirit ya.
Ya,
Agak
split.
dibedakan. Something like that.
Hmm, apa?
Kayak terbagi antara cewek sama cowok beda gitu.
Enggak, ya enggak sih, enggak juga.
Sama aja ya berarti.
Sama aja.
It can be equal ya.
Ya, equal.
Okay. Okay, that's great. And then?
Number two. Number two, I don't know. No, I don't know.
No, I don't ya. So you
Ya,
nggak pernah ya.
nggak pernah.
Okay, can you give me the reason?
I, so my school is very environment, it's very inclusive, and teacher and student make a contribution. Jadi ya nggak ada kucil mengkucilkan gitu.
Oh, that's good. So your school have a good inspirement ya for
Ya,
student, all of student ya.
ya,
Okay, that's good. So it's other support about their value. That's correct?
yeah, that's correct.
Okay, perfect. That's all, Kevin.
That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, Mutia, you want to try?
Yes, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Number one, maybe is wartawan. Gitu, Kak.
Wartawan.
Ya.
Okay, wartawan, reporter,
Terus apa ya? Penjual.
seller,
Ya, seller maybe.
mhm,
And dosen. Dosen apa ya?
lecturer,
Lecturer. Ya,
lecturer,
lecturer.
yeah. Okay, okay, that's great. And then,
And then number two, no, I don't.
okay, give me the reason why.
Uh, because I don't feel isolate.
Oh, so you feel like easygoing?
Yeah, kayak I don't
Oh,
care.
because you don't care about the okay, something like that situation. You are
Yes.
not really into it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's all, Mutia?
Yeah, that's all, Cap.
Okay, thank you very much, Mutia. Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, so that is for this discussion about number one and number two. Perfect. Thank you very much, Kevin and Mutia. Okay, then after this part we will have this. Oke, ini tadi ada kepanjangan nih. Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Okay, actually here I want you to find this on internet about abbreviation and then what does it stand for. Jadi kependekannya dan juga kepanjangannya apa nih? We have BBC, UNESCO, VIP, TR, Dr. and then US and UK. Okay, please find what does it stand for. Kira-kira kepanjangannya nih apa nih? Okay, if you want to try, you can raise your hand. For the example, the abbreviation is STEM. The panjangnya Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Oke, kita ada 6 nih. Ada yang mau mencoba di sini? Oke,
I wanna
Mutia, you
try
wanna
it.
try? Oke, please.
US US to United States.
Oke, US
Ya,
is
itu
the
bukan
United States. Oke,
States.
that's correct.
Yes.
Oke,
Mau coba yang UK deh.
oke, UK. This is
United Kingdom.
okay. UK is United Kingdom. Okay, that is similar. United States and United Kingdom. Okay, perfect, Mutia. Thank you.
I wanna try it.
Okay, Kevin, which one?
Yang BBC itu,
BBC. Okay,
ya.
please.
Itu British Broadcasting Corporation nggak sih?
Okay, that is British. Okay, British Broadcasting
Corporation.
Corporation. Okay, that's correct. British Broadcasting Corporation. Okay, that's
Sama
correct,
yang
Kevin.
VIP,
Sama yang
VIP.
VIP. Okay, we have VIP.
Itu
What is it?
very important person. Maybe.
Okay, VIP is very important person. Orang yang paling penting. It is very important person. Okay, that's correct, Kevin. Thank you. Okay, we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. We have UNESCO and then we have doctor. Apa nih?
I wanna try yang UNESCO.
UNESCO. Okay, please.
Ya. Itu United Nation Educational,
United Nations Educational
Scientific, and Cultural Organization.
Scientific
And panjangnya ya.
and
Cultural Organization.
Cultural Organization.
Ya.
Okay. Okay, can you read full version?
Apa? Baca ya?
Dibaca fullnya.
United Nation Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization.
Okay, that's correct. United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Perfect. Okay, the last for number 4. What is it? Oke, sebenarnya semua udah tahu ya. DR is stand for apa?
Doctor.
Dokter.
Okay, that's correct. That is doctor. Oke, jadi ini bisa dokter atau orang yang sudah S3 ya, atau dokter. Oke, perfect. This is for kepanjangan dan kependekannya. Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, then the next here we have this. Okay, this is for reading section. So everyone will read this. Karena kita cuma ada 2 nih. Ada 9 nih. Kita akan bagi 4-4. So number 1 will be me. And then number 2, 3, 4, 5 will be Kevin. And 6, 7, 8, 9 will be Mutia. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now from the first, Science for All, getting more people into STEM. In 1886, the president of the British Medical Association warned that it would be dangerous to educate women too much because it might make them go mad. Okay, and then for number 2, Mutia. Mutia apa Kevin? Kevin ya?
Okay.
Okay, please.
This, as we all know, profit to be as untrue and silly as it sounds, due to change in society and the law in most countries in the world. can now get high-level qualification and find work in areas that interest them. However, there are still many fewer women working in a number sector today. In the US, only 27% of people who work in science, technology, engineering, and math are women. This is true across the world. Too many organizations are trying to increase this number and help talented women scientists achieve great things in STEM. UNESCO and the L'Oreal Foundation offer the Girls in Science program, which choose girls who are interested in science to take part in scientific challenges and go on visit connected to science. The same organization run the Women in Science program, which offer 1,500 euro and leadership training to help women develop their career in science. In addition to this, there is also the Women in Science Award for important contribution to the progress of science. In higher education, the picture from women in STEM is improving. Between 20, 2000, enggak, 2011 itu
2011 atau
2011,
2011 juga
oh
boleh.
2011 and 2020, the proportion of women entering STEM university courses increased from 63.6
30
or 30 30
33
to 33.6 to 41.4%.
All right. Thank you. And then next, Mutia. Mutia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Without women, number 6, without women in science and engineering, the people who are making this decision are not representative of everyone. We need women to be part of that conversation to make sure that female voices are being heard in the scientific community, says Carlotte Grace, a UK physics teacher. 7. The purpose of all this is not to exclude men and boys. However, there are many science prizes, including the Nobel Prize, open to all. In fact, many boys also need help to get an education in STEM. Studies have showed that 30% of boys from wealthy communities thinks they might
Mike.
uh, might go
Mike.
on to work in STEM. However, only 8% of boys from communities with less money think the same. It's important not to force girls to study subjects that don't interest them, but many girls and boys receive
Receive.
receive lots of message from a very young age about that their preference should be. Boys are more often give construction toys while girls are given toys connected to caring such as dolls. Things is also being questioned in itu berapa Cap? 2021.
2021. 2021.
2021, the state of California passed a law that large stores needed to display toys without splitting them into products for boys and toys for girls. 6. With the barriers to going into STEM being examined and taken down like this, it is hoped that the future of science is as diverse as it is Fascinating. Dah,
Fascinating. Okay, great, Mutia. Thank you
fascinating.
very much, Kevin and Mutia. Okay, so that is a little bit highlight ya, sedikit highlight. Ini tadi ada science, oke tadi ada yang benar, ada yang salah. Science, and then ini bacanya bukan higher ya, tapi higher. Jadi bacanya higher in higher education. Jadi kayak G-nya ada apa? Higher in higher education. Dan ini untuk bacanya ini Charlotte ya, Charlotte. And then ini bacanya bukan
Charlie.
oke, Mutia tadi bacanya ini gimana?
Less money.
Bacanya less ya,
Eh,
kayak
oh
less sugar
less.
gitu,
Oke, kayak biasa aja ya.
kayak less sugar,
Oh ya, less sugar. Less money.
kayak less money. Oke, kayak gitu ya. Sama ini
Oh,
bacanya gimana?
young,
Bacanya yang,
young.
mirip kayak
Oh,
yang ya.
ya.
That is young. Oke, sepertinya semuanya masih kebingungan baca angka ya. Oke, masih agak bingung kan
Iya.
baca angka? Mungkin agak bingung ya baca angka ya. Oke, untuk baca angka khususnya tahun tuh bisa dalam beberapa situation sih. Jadi kan contohnya nih, kayak contohnya. Mungkin ada kayak baik 2010, 2020, bisa 2025, 2000 berapa? Oke, Kevin lahirnya tahun berapa Kevin?
2009.
2009. Oke, how about Mutia?
2008, Cap.
2008. Oke, so here
Yes.
aku juga ada 1990 dan ada 1400. Oke, ini ada beberapa tahun nih. Oke, coba Kevin mention yang number one ini.
2010
20, bisnis bisa dibaca
kayak
2010 atau bisa juga 20
2010.
mana sih 20 and 10 dan juga bisa 2010 atau 2010 juga boleh. Jadi cara bacanya ada banyak banget nih. Jadi nggak perlu bingung-bingung. Jadi ada beberapa cara. Kira-kira dari sini ada yang bingungin nggak cara bacanya? Jadi bisa dibaca dua-dua gini, 2020, bisa kayak bisa dibagi jadi dua nih. Jadi bisa 2020, 2025, 20 and 9, 20 and 8, 20, 1999, 1945. Kayak gitu. Katanya ada dibingungin nggak? Oke, how about Mutya? Can you try number two?
Number 2 itu 2020. Eh,
Oke,
ya,
boleh banget. 2020 juga boleh. 2020.
20.
Oke, oke, Kevin, number three.
2025.
Oke, boleh banget. 2025. 25. Oke, Kevin juga yang nomor selanjutnya.
Oh, 2009.
Boleh banget. 2009. Mutia yang ini.
2008.
Oke, boleh. 2008. Actually juga bisa 20 and 9 gitu boleh ya. 20 and
Oh ya,
8 kayak gitu juga boleh.
oh
Terus
ya.
yang ini, Mutia coba yang ini.
Itu berarti ini ya, 1900,
1900.
1000, ya, 100,
Mhm.
99,
99 kayak gini.
9, ya, yes.
Oke, ini boleh juga 1999. Ini panjang banget. Juga bisa bilang 1999. Kayak gini juga boleh.
Oh,
Jadi dibagi jadi dua. 1999. Oke?
oke.
Oke, how about Kevin, the last?
Is 1945.
Oke, boleh banget. That is 1940, 45. Oke, jadi kayak gini, bisa dalam beberapa hal. Oke, from here, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira?
No,
Ya,
Cap.
no.
No? Oke,
No.
if there's no questions, it's okay. Boleh dilanjut. Semoga kedepannya masih ingat ya. Oke, sekarang kalau coba Cap mau tanya nih about mention number. Ini angka aja ya langsung. Jadi berupa angka. For the example, ini angka ya, jumlah angka. Untuk yang atas buat Kevin dan yang bawah buat Mutia ya. Oke, siapa nih yang mau coba duluan? Yang atas buat Kevin, yang bawah buat Mutia.
Coba ini.
Oke, Kevin, please.
Yang pertama itu 19.1574.
Ini nggak ada poinnya ya, jadi langsung kayak sembilan belas ribu
Oh,
lima ratus tujuh puluh empat
oh,
ya. Kayak
19.000.
langsung gitu.
1905.
19 apa?
19,000 apa? 100 ya?
19,000.
100, 100.
Oke, gimana jadi penuhnya?
Kalau
19,
oh 19,000, 19,000,
19,000,
19,574.
574.
Oh,
Begini?
ya,
Oke, how about the second one?
di itu 2.000 nih.
2000.
Ya, 20,000,
Ini
25,
200 ya, 200 ribu.
200,
Udah 200 ribu
200,
ke atas nih.
200.000, 200,
Oke, kira-kira berapa nih bahasa Inggrisnya gimana nih?
kalau 200 itu 100,000.
Oke, sebentar ya Kevin. Oke, sebentar, sebentar. Sebentar banget, agak agak nge-lag dulu jaringannya. Oke, suara saya jelas nggak?
Jelas, jelas.
Oke, oke. Oke, coba dilanjut yang ini.
Itu 234,
234,
234, 742.
234 apa? Ada
742.
yang kurang nih.
Oh, 70. Apa yang
234,
124 sama 7, 7 apa ya?
belakangnya 4 ada satuannya nih apa?
4,000.
234,000 ya.
1,000.
Ya, 234,000,
742.
700 ya. 700 kan,
Oh,
700 nih.
700.
Mhm.
700, 700. 742. Hmm.
42. Okay, that's correct. Okay, please repeat it.
Dari atas sampai
Ya,
bawah.
dari atas. Ya.
Yang pertama itu 19,574. Yang kedua itu 234,742.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Kevin. Okay, so that is from Kevin in this one. Okay, Mutia, you want to try?
Yes, I want to try.
Okay, please.
Itu berapa ya?
Berapa nih?
Tapi yang panjangnya aja bisa, boleh Kak?
Gimana maksudnya?
Enggak, ya udah deh. 64
60,
thousand
64,000,
ya,
Mhm.
900.
60. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Keyboardnya, sorry, sorry. Hilang. Sorry, 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 sorry. Berapa ya tadi angkanya? Hilang nih. Sebentar. Oke, maaf ya, agak ngelag. Oke, di sini ya, kelihatan ya. Berapa tadi, Mutia? Sorry.
Yes. 64,000.
64,000.
4,900.
Mhm.
900.
900. Okay,
Yes.
900. That all?
Dah.
Okay. Okay. And then for number two,
Seven.
7,
700 ya. Ya.
700,
65.
65,
65,000.
65,000,
And then 98. Ya, ya, ya.
98. Gini, 765,098. Gini.
Ya,
Okay,
ya.
please read from the first and the last.
Mm, Number one, 64,900. And then yang number two, 765,098.
Oke, oke. Pemenggalannya agak disamain ya. Jadi kayak 765.000, 65.000. Oke. 765,098. Kayak gitu ya.
Oh, yes.
Jadi kayak disatuin persatuan-persatuan gitu ya, kalau mau dipisah misalnya.
Ya.
Oke.
Oke, Kak.
Jadi kayak 765.098. Kalau contohnya Indonesia gitu. Jadi kalau Inggrisnya bisa 765,098. Oke?
Oke, Kak.
Oke, thank you very much everyone for trying this one. Oke, sebenarnya itu nggak ada di modul, cuma mau nambahin sih. Just for your knowledge. Okay, next here we have this. So this is our discussion about toys and game. Okay, so here we have discussion. What toys and game did you play with? Sorry, sorry. What toys and games did you play with when you were younger? Did your sister or brother play with the same things? What was different? What was the same? And for number two, who would you give the following gifts to? Why? Which toys are connected to STEM? To STEM? Why do you think we are encouraged to give some kinds of toys to girls and other to boys? Should we stop doing this and why? Okay, so this is we have three questions. Ada tiga pertanyaan nih. Start from number one. Oke, kira-kira paham nggak nih pertanyaannya? Kalau nggak paham, bisa Cap jelasin nih. Mau dijelasin
Paham,
atau
Kak?
udah langsung paham?
Boleh deh. Boleh deh.
Boleh,
Jelasin aja.
boleh. Oke, so that is we have three question. Kita ada tiga pertanyaan nih. Start from number one. Kira-kira nih, untuk yang nomor satu, what toys and games did you play with when you were younger? Jadi mainan atau permainan apa nih yang kamu mainkan ketika kamu lebih muda? Did your sister or brother plays with the same things? Apakah saudara kamu, kakak atau adik cowok-cewek main hal yang sama dengan kamu? What was the different? Apa bedanya? And what was the same? Jadi apa bedanya dan juga apa persamaannya nih? And then is we have who would you give the following gifts to and why? Kepada siapa kamu akan memberikan hadiah berikut dan juga mengapa? And then for number three, itu adalah which toys, which toys are connected to STEM? Why do you think we are encouraged to give some kinds of toys to girls and others to boys? Should we stop doing this and why? Oke, actually cuma jawab yang nomor tiga aja deh. Jadi only for number three, which toys are connected to STEM, and why do you think we are encouraged to give some kinds of toys to girls and others to boys? Should we stop doing this and why? Jadi mainan mana nih yang berkaitan dengan STEM? Dan juga, why do you think, mengapa kita dianjurkan memberikan mainan seperti contohnya ini buat cewek dan ini juga buat cowok? Kita harus berhenti nggak sih ngasih kayak gitu? Dan alasannya apa nih kira-kira? Oke, kira-kira paham nggak nih sama pertanyaan nomor 3?
Paham, Cap?
Paham ya?
Yes.
Kevin paham?
Paham, paham.
Oke, please make it. So this is only for number 3, cuma buat nomor 3 nih. Jadi mainan mana nih yang berkaitan sama STEM? Terus kena, why do you think? Kamu berpikir kalau mainan ini cocoknya buat cewek, ya ini buat cowok, kira-kira gitu nggak sih? Should we stop doing this? Apakah kita harus berhenti untuk seperti ini? Oke, silahkan dibuat. Kalau ada yang dibingungin, boleh banget ya tanya. Jadi biar tidak, gitu. Jadi boleh banget ditanyain biar tidak salah langkah.
Cap, boleh nanya nggak?
Ya, boleh,
Yang
boleh, boleh,
should
boleh.
should we stop doing this? Itu maksudnya gimana ya? Berhenti apanya?
Kayak kita harus berhenti ngasih kayak ini mainan buat cewek, ini mainan buat cowok. Jadi mainan-mainan ini buat cewek, mainan-mainan ini buat cowok gitu.
Oh,
Paham
oke.
nggak kira-kira?
Paham, paham.
Oke. Jadi untuk jenis mainannya ada di sini ya. Ada a chemistry kit, Lego, a toy kitchen, a doll, a racetrack, and then a jewelry box. Kita ada 6 permainan. We have a chemistry kit atau seperangkat alat permainan kimia atau percobaan, and then Lego, a toy kitchen, mainan dapur atau masak-masakan ya, a doll, sebuah boneka, a racetrack, jadi kayak main balapan gitu, and then a jewelry box, dia jual kotak perhiasan. Nah, kadang-kadang ini buat ada yang buat cewek, buat cowok. Nah, kira-kira gimana menurut kalian? How about your opinion about this thing? Do you agree or disagree, or do you have any opinion about this? If you want to try to answer, you can raise your hand or you can say it. Boleh banget nih kalau mau mencoba untuk menjawab.
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, Kevin, please.
Which toy are connected to STEM? Chemistry kit, Lego, sama racetrack.
Okay, so there is like chemistry kit, Lego, and then
Racetrack.
racetrack. Okay, can you give me the reason? Alasannya
Eh,
nih.
itu ya, why do you think we are on judge? Alasannya ini apa yang enjoy to give some hints of the clue?
Alasannya yang masuk STEM.
Oh, alasannya karena kan
Hmm.
STEM itu kan Lego itu kan bagus untuk skill creativity. Terus chemistry juga sama. Terus untuk racetrack itu buat ini sih kayak kreativitas doang sama skill.
Okay, can you connect to STEM like S for science, T for technology, E for
Oh, oke.
engineering, and M for maths. Kayak gitu. Chemistry kayaknya masuk yang mana nih kira-kira gitu.
Kalau yang Lego itu kayaknya ini nggak sih teknologi nggak sih?
Teknologi.
Terus chemistry itu masuk ke science,
Mhm.
sama racetrack itu masuk ke kalau nggak teknologi engineering.
Okay. Okay, so Lego can be in engineering ya, teknik. So
Oh,
it can build a building kan, bangun bangunan.
dan
So they have to make the perhitungan yang tepat, something like that.
iya.
Okay. And then for the next,
Yang itu yang why do you
why
think?
do you think? Hmm.
Oke, why do you think itu kayaknya laki-laki kan suka yang action mechanical toy. Itu
Mhm.
kalau yang perempuan kan kebanyakan kan flying toy.